What's up, everybody? Phil Goldenberg here, back for another episode of Technique Together. So, in my Instagram story last week, I asked everybody what I should work on, and a number of people actually said trills, which is a cool topic for sure. A trill is an ornament used in all different kinds of music, most famously in the Baroque period, and it's just a bunch of quick little notes like this. And really what this topic is really just an extension of hammer-ons and pull-offs, of slurs. So we're going to work today on improving your hammer-ons and pull-offs with the specific intention to improve your to improve your trills. So that means we want clarity, crispness, and actually we need a lot of speed in this topic. Trills gotta be fast. Alright, so let's jump right in, grab your guitar, and let's do some technique together. So, the first thing that we're going to be doing is working the trills between these two fingers. Whenever possible in repertoire, I always try to have my first finger be the bottom note of a trill. Just because it's the most stable finger, it's really our ideal choice. So whenever possible, I always try to finger it in that way. So that's the one that we're going to work on today, because that's going to be the most common type of trill, is one where the bottom finger is your first finger. And we're going to be working two different kinds of trills. That's a trill between the second finger and the first finger, and the third finger and the first finger. So we're going to be working this one and this one. So 2-1 and 3-1. So first off, we're going to very comfortably just explore how doing these slurs feels, right? So we're going to start out just comfortably doing 2-1 slurs, no right hand. Make sure that you can hear both notes. You can continue while I'm talking. Make sure that you hear both notes and that your motion is quick. Quick, but controlled. We're not looking for something like this, where it looks like your hand is flapping around. The motion should come from your finger, and you should hear G, F sharp, G, F sharp. Now we're going to do the same exact thing, ring finger to first finger. Still third fret going to second fret on the first string. Same exact thing, no flapping, and you're looking for crisp notes. We're not worrying about speed right now, not yet. Just crispness of notes. Then go back to 1-2. Part of our exercise is going to be being able to switch between the two. And while you're doing that, and the whole day, the whole time that you're practicing today, I would love it if your intention was to be in touch with your body and make sure that you are releasing tension whenever you notice it. So tension can sometimes feel like a sudden breath, like you're playing, then all of a sudden you go, and that means that you are breathing, that your diaphragm is tense. And all of a sudden you had to take a big gasp because you stopped breathing. You're all intense and intensely focused over here, and your diaphragm got tense and you lost control of your body. So look for tension in your stomach, in your abdomen. Look for tension in your shoulders. Look for tension in your face. If you see yourself making any little, guitar faces or doing any grimacing with your face, that's all tension. That means that means your body is in fight mode, trying to make your two little fingers move. But it's just two fingers. You can do this all day. You don't need your face to be squinty. Alright, so that's it. That's my tension talk. Now we're going to get back to this exercise. But carry that through the exercise. No tension, please. So, 2-1 and 3-1, right? Should feel comfortable by now. So here's the way that we're going to do it. We're going to be in 4-4. Here's our tempo. We're going to play eighth notes first. B-ah, 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 B-ah. Then double up. B-ah, 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 B-ah. So, it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, then double. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back. It's like the Jaws theme. And then double. Half. Double. Half. Double. No tension. No guitar faces. Everyone's breathing normally. The last one. Okay. So, hopefully that feels good. If not, pause the video and do it till it feels good. Next, we're going to do the exact same thing. Notes are exactly the same, except instead of using your second finger, we're going to use our third finger. Okay, but same exact thing, same tempo, same speed burst kind of idea of doubling the tempo when we get to it. 2, ready, go. Double. Make sure that this is nice and stable, not flapping around. Think about your clarity of notes and how easy it is to do it. You're just wiggling your fingers. That's all you're doing. Last one. Okay, so that probably felt different. I know that it felt different because it was different. You might have a preference of liking the third finger or liking the second finger more, but we're going to now mix them up. So now the exercise is one measure, or 2 measures of 2-1 slurs, and then 2 measures of 3-1 slurs. So I'm going to play that, and then you jump in however you want, whenever you want. So here we go. Ready, go. 2, 1. And double. And then 3, 1. And then double. Back. 2, 1. Three ones, double, 2, double, 3, back, double, 3, 2, 1, 3. Double. And end. Okay, so that's one spot for it. So once you know this exercise, what I would do with this exercise is, watch this. And then shift. Whoa. Double. And then we're going to go up and hit it with the 3rd finger. Double. And then go up, hit it with the 2nd finger. Up. And then back down. And back down. Whoops, sorry. Back down to the original position. So all I did was I took it from the 2nd fret all the way up to the 7th fret and back down, and at the end of each grouping, 1 and 2 or 1 and 3, I moved up a half step or down a half step. And if you had a piece with a lot of trills or you really want to work your trills out, I would do that up and down for all 6 strings, and then work that every single day until your trills sound perfect. Alright, so that is trills. That's trills in a nutshell. That's one little exercise for trills. I hope your trills are I hope your trills are perfect. Now, it's super crispy, it's super clear and fast. So, just more technique stuff. And thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for doing technique with me. Technique together, if you will. If you want me to make more of these videos, please subscribe, please like, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to work on a specific technique, you can tell me in the comments. I read every single comment, or you can hit me up on Instagram or email, or if you see me on a regular basis, you can say, hey Phil, why don't you do whatever, cross-string trills next, but not cross-string trills because I'm bad at those. Maybe I need to do some cross-string trill technique. Alright, so thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, happy practicing.